Hello everybody, iLoTrains323 here, back again with another video. And I hate to admit it, but I think I may have a problem. We're opening 10 more packs of these cards. Hopefully we can finally get something we don't have. I got these in the mail today as a kind of a late birthday present from my dad. So here we have the 10 packs, and yeah. Hopefully we can finally get that Victor or Topham hat card. But, as I said in the last video, I've been told I talk too much, so let's just go ahead and get into this. Here we have the first pack. And, investigate the packaging in previous videos if you want a close-up. And here we are, greeted again with our favorite destination, Didmouth Sheds. Then next we have a Toby standee, the Thomas promo card, Percy Countryside card, a Toby promo card, Edward in the Countryside, and an Emily tattoo. Set these aside. And pack number 2. They look all the same, so I don't know why I keep showing them. I'm glad these aren't probably worth anything like Pokemon cards, because I've been bending the shit out of them. Oh, I said a naughty word, I'm sorry. Anyway, here's Didmouth Sheds, of course. Another Toby standee. A Gordon promo card. Emily promo card. Percy in the Countryside, Thomas in the Countryside, and the tattoo is a James tattoo. This is new. See, it's not going to focus apparently, but also have, I believe it says greetings from Sodor. So that's our first James tattoo. It's nice to have something different. Hopefully we can get Victor and Sir Topham hat. Pack number 3, here we go. Didmouth once again. At this point, I'm not even surprised. We have a Percy standee, a Percy promo card, Toby Countryside promo card, Henry, Thomas promo card, and a Percy tattoo. This is somewhat new. I think I only have one other one of these, so that's nice. Set those aside. Pack number 4. We start out, of course, with Didmouth. And we have a Thomas standee. We finally have all the standees, everyone. Finally got Thomas. Along with a Thomas at the Countryside, Percy promo, Toby in the Countryside, Henry in the Countryside, and another James tattoo. So we finally got some stuff that we don't have. I'm glad to finally have a Thomas standee. I believe, like I said, I believe that's all of the standees now. Pack number 5. See, pack number 5. Maybe we'll get some more, a James standee. Didmouth Sheds, yay. And our standee is Toby. We have a Toby standee, a James in the Countryside card, Thomas in the Countryside, Percy promo, Toby in the Countryside, and another James tattoo. We've gone from having no James tattoos to having 3. Not that I'm complaining. Because little Nathan would have loved to have a James tattoo. You know, when I was Mr. James Fan 5. Alright, pack number 6. I do apologize if the microphone keeps brushing on things. I tried to back it away this time so I'm not breathing on it like the last video. Once again, we have our favorite destination, Vickerstown, an Emily standee, a Thomas promo card, Gordon promo card, Emily promo card, Percy in the Countryside, and a Gordon tattoo. I have no idea what to do with all these tattoos, but probably wear them at some point. So this is pack number 7, 8, 7. Brain shut down for a second. Of course, greeted again with our favorite destination. Only destination. And we have a Toby standee. Thomas in the Countryside. Percy promo card. Toby in the Countryside. Henry in the Countryside. And a Henry tattoo. Not sure what that actually says right there. Something like 10x or something? I don't know. Are there 10 of them in this pack or something? I don't know. Not sure what the 10x thing is. But, pack number 8. There it goes. We have the Sodor Steamworks Mall, of course, as our destination. Not many people are going to get that reference, I just realized. My apologies. And who is this? Whose funnel is this? As our standee, it is Gordon. We have a Gordon standee. The Thomas promo. Gordon promo. Emily promo. Thomas in the Countryside. And another Henry tattoo along with the 10x thing. Final 2 packs. Here we go. It's pack number 9. I just whip out a Donald promo card or something for pack 9. Tidmouth Sheds. A Henry standee. A James Countryside promo. Percy promo card. Toby in the Countryside. And I've seen a pattern. So I'm going to guess and say that the next card will be Henry in the Countryside. Wow, why am I not surprised? And another James tattoo. So, I'm definitely starting to believe that there was some not accurate information on the wiki of the Sir Topham Hatt and Victor cards. Because I've opened way too many packs of these cards and have not seen a single Victor or Sir Topham Hatt. So, starting to believe they don't exist. But who knows? Maybe we'll be surprised in this final pack. Pack number 10. Tidmouth Sheds. The Toby standee. Emily Countryside promo. Henry promo card. That's actually a really nice promo. I like that. James in the Countryside. Thomas in the Countryside. And a Edward tattoo. Wow, that's a decent way to end the video. I believe we got tattoos of everyone except Toby now. This is True Blue. I don't remember where it originally came from, but I guess Edward's nickname was True Blue #2 at one point for Eddie. But I know somebody who might like this, might give this away to a friend. So, as I said, definitely starting to believe that the Victor and Straw Hat cards don't exist. Got enough Toby cards and Toby standees. Gotta find a Toby fan, maybe to give some of these to. Oh, no longer straight. There we go. So, thank you all for watching. I do believe this will be the last of these trading cards for a while, but I do have something coming in the mail that I am very much looking forward to opening. Mostly because I had no idea it existed until a couple of days ago. So, that should be fun to do. I definitely look forward to doing that. And as far as I'm aware, I haven't seen any records of these on the wiki either. So, it may be brand new to a lot of people. I don't know. Because, like I said, I didn't even know these existed until a couple days ago. So, once again, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed these silly little card openings. I mean, honestly, card openings have been around for a long time, but I do have to give a lot of props to my friend James, not the Red Engine, of course, but Epic Lafito, or also known as Gearforth Gaming, who does some great Pokemon card openings. So if you enjoy Pokemon cards, or I believe he's done Naruto cards in the past, go check out Gearforth Gaming over on YouTube and subscribe, as well as like, comment, and subscribe on this video, because that's the kind of person I am now. We got to do it for the likes, everybody. Yeah, I think that's all for now. And like I said, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.